Dollar Tree dropped all new product lines from decor to organization, cleaning products, everything I'm sharing with you in this video is brand new. The food storage containers, they have some glass ones that are brand new. Now these are square, and this is by the Home Essentials line, which is one of my favorite Dollar Tree lines. I love that the lids clip on like this. This is perfect for an extra portion, snacks, fruit, lunches, and I love that they're glass.
The do it on a dime promise is true savings. These are $1.50 each. Container Store wants $7.49, and even Temu is charging $2.20 per container. I also like the larger containers, and these are a great deal too. These are also glass, and Walmart has a similar product of the same size, but they're charging $1.99.
They have some new glassware too. These are so cute. I'm thinking parfaits, I'm thinking elegant tableware, and speaking of new, they have so many new fall plates and chargers, which are so pretty.
These are the best deal table settings at Dollar Tree. You really can't beat it. Now I have a recipe coming up, so stay tuned. I think it's my favorite thing of the video. I want you to feel so cozy and excited for fall.
This is a brand new product. This is a Sure Fresh organizer, and this is airtight. This would be really great for coffee. This would be great for treats, and it even comes with a little spoon for $1.50. This is a great deal.
The exact same container in the same size was almost $6 in other stores.
But this is a newer product. This McCormick strainer, you pop them out like this. It's great, super high quality. Love this one.
Now this is still $1.25 at my store. I'm gonna do my best to share all the prices too, as well as price comparisons, but this item in particular is even better than the Amazon versions, and I can't wait to share with you this recipe.
I've got a hack with these brand new fall bushes that you are gonna love for your front porch.
I really want to get a good deal on florals. Now florals are now $1.75 to $3 at Dollar Tree. I grabbed 97-cent pool noodles from Walmart. You can cut these down to put in a planter, and then you can stick the picks inside to create a simple floral arrangement. I made mine for less than $12 per urn. Look how beautifully this turned out, combining mums as well as some of the penny leaf foliage and the pampas grass, a tall center point, consistent color scheme, and something that gives it dimension and texture for the win. Dollar Tree also got a brand new premium glue gun for $3. Now I got this home to test because I thought if you need to buy these in mass or in bulk, I wanted to see if it actually worked. And I was really impressed. Not only did the glue come out easily, it was smooth, it heated up quickly, and this is far more expensive. It's a trusted brand in other stores.
Brand new product. These little lanterns, I think this would be so cute for Christmas, and I would not be surprised if this product goes viral. These swirl pillar candles are new. They're $3 and so beautiful. This is mimicking much higher end stores like Hobby Lobby. These are cool. I love these, and this beats Walmart's price.
We're about to get so practical with one of the weirdest products you've ever seen, but first,
before we get started, I wanted to let you know that I am a keynote speaker for Get Organized HQ this year. And what is more, the ticket is completely free. My keynote session is called From Pressure to Peace, the Secret to Lasting Change. So if you are somebody that struggles to get organized, stay organized, find motivation, I am so excited to see you there. I'll be joined by over 100 other speakers. It is a super fun day, and again, it is totally free. The link is pinned down below. Check it out. I want to see you there. And I'll also be hosting a live Q&A session so I can get to interact with some of you guys, which is super cool. Brand new in the picture frame section. Now, I want to know in the comments, do you like the Dollar Tree picture frames? I've heard some people don't like them. I've always had a good experience. And this one is kind of like a chinoiserie look. This is such an in style. If you haven't seen it yet, all of this kind of like bamboo, like chairs, furniture, all of this is coming back. This is a gorgeous frame. The glass feels pretty thick. And I really like this one too. You can always spray paint these to match your desired aesthetic, and life is too short. Print your pictures. We went on some family vacations this year, and I'm so excited to put the pictures in these frames.
Bamboo anything is making a resurgence. I also love these white sandalwood candles. Not only do I love the container, but they're one of my favorite scents that Dollar Tree carries right now.
This is also a brand new container that they brought back. I love this color. I love this size, especially that it's rectangle. This one's awesome. Holy bananas, this might be one of the best deals in the store. They have stain back at Dollar Tree. Now, all of this is $1.50, but if I'm sharing it, it is still a good deal. It's a better deal than the hardware store.
This is in fact 3 times cheaper. It's just 19 cents an ounce at Dollar Tree. It's 62 cents an ounce at the hardware store.
They also got this Firm Grip Pro adhesive. If you are installing molding on your walls, like I've been doing in tons of videos, check this stuff out. I think you're really gonna like it.
$1.50 construction adhesive is a steal. This is $7 or $8 at my hardware store. I've just loved your recent feedback on some of the new videos that I'm trying out with all of the makeovers that I've been doing. I'll be sure to link some for you if you want to check them out. No matter where I'm shopping, what I'm doing, I want to help you be organized and save money.
Brand new household products. Now these are $1.50, but I like that this is the Home Bright brand, which I've had a good experience with. This is a free and clear foaming dish spray. This is dye-free with no harsh chemicals. I'm so excited to try it. They also have a dish detergent, which I'm excited to try too.
Anything that's foaming to me is just immediately superior. I was impressed with this product. It works just as well as the Brillo brand, and this is a little bit cheaper price per ounce.
If you're traveling or just need a little bit of dish detergent, they have it here. And they have a foaming garbage disposer cleaner. This is a new product. And they also have dishwasher cleaners, all brand new.
Now this product intrigued me. You take the garbage disposal packs and using hot water at a pencil thickness, you pop this right inside of the garbage disposal. Like you don't even empty it out. It foams up and cleans your disposal. In my experience, it worked great.
They have these ring out mops, which are brand new. This is really cool and not a brand that I've seen before. These are $5 each and I would be so curious if you've tried them.
And when it comes to savings, truly, just don't go anywhere, I promise.
The beauty aisle has a ton of brand new product drops. The first thing that I noticed was a Duo Blush Compact. This is a mineral-based blush, so cool. They have some foundation, which I'm a little bit iffy on, but what else is new that is a $9 on Amazon product that's well reviewed is this one. It is the Joa Wand Me Up. This is a concealer. They also have lots of beauty blenders, and I recently checked, these still beat Walmart's price. Look at this cute little bag, brand new product. And a name brand I have never ever seen at Dollar Tree, but is now here, is this dual strip lash adhesive. Now this, I used to buy at like CVS, and this was $5 to $6. I use this all the time if I do strip lashes. It's awesome. Actually, I'm gonna get this because I need it.
INA brand products I've been seeing in tons of stores. Their tinted lip oil is great. Their cuticle oil is also awesome. And I even spotted this Man Cave beard wash. This has great reviews and is more expensive at other stores, up to $10.
That's good too. They also have these face razors. Now I can get these on Amazon, but they've recently increased the prices on Amazon. So to see these for $1.25 is good. All the beauty section is still $1.25. I love their foaming hand wash. This one is pink peppercorn and peony. It smells really good, but my favorite is down here. Now this is not foaming, but it is a liquid hand soap in my all-time favorite Dollar Tree scent, Brazilian Mist. This is by the brand Power Stick. They have a whole line at Dollar Tree, but this product is new.
I promised I'd share with you this recipe, and don't go anywhere because if you try this, y'all, it's just gonna make your fall so special and wonderful with your family. I grabbed this vanilla bean ice cream as well as strawberry preserves. You could also use apricot preserves or just whatever you have on hand. You'll also need apples and some frozen pastry. Now I heat my apples in water for about 5 minutes in the microwave just to soften them, and you wanna strain them out, yes, in my McCormick strainer. And then you wanna thaw your puff pastry and just gently roll it out. Be sure to have flour on your countertop. And then I'm going to cut it into 6 strips. Now most puff pastries come in packs of 2, but I'm just using 1 pastry here, and I used about 4 apples. I water down the preserves just so they're a little bit easier to work with, and then you can put it on each of the strips. And then you want to take your thinly sliced apples, and you're going to add them to the top of the pastry right on top of your preserves, and then fold it over so the top of the apple peeks out. And then you're going to roll it. And when you do, you'll notice it's in the shape of a rose. Bake at 375 for about 30 minutes until they're done, and add and serve with ice cream. And if you're really special, you'll even sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar on top. My kids loved this treat. It's like warm apple pie. Want to keep hanging out? Oh my gosh, I'd love to, especially if you want to see something new. Maybe it's not Dollar Tree. In my most recent post, I had so much fun giving myself a dream library on a thrifty budget. Click that link right on screen. I want to hang out with you.
Like this video, give it a big thumbs up if nobody has told you today. You are enough. I'll catch you soon.